Do you mind if I come for a sec?
Where? Bro, I thought you were done.
No, I'm not done yet. So what are you going to be cooking?
Your favorite.
What's my favorite?
I told you last time you said you were try it. Pan-seared salmon.
Are you kidding me?
No. You got to try it, bro. You told me last time I made fish, you said, or that shrimp, you said next time you do something like that, I'll try it. If you don't, then I'll tell everybody.
I was lying.
I'll tell everybody you still watch Ninja Turtles. Why pay top dollar for some fish at a restaurant when you can make it yourself, quick and easy, and absolutely delicious? Make sure you guys stay tuned. Bro, you really told me you were gonna try it last time.
I'm not gonna try it, dude.
What is, I don't understand why.
Because I don't like fish.
What did you like about it? You don't need to like the fish. It's not like you like, hey, Tom, I don't like it.
No matter what you put on it, like whatever seasonings, whatever sauces, the initial taste tastes good, and then as soon as the flavors go away, all I taste is fish. That's why I don't like it.
Whatever. Welcome back, guys. Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. Really happy that you guys are tuning in. We're back with a little bit of a different episode. You're gonna see a lot of raw footage. However, this recipe is a pan-seared salmon with delicious lemon garlic butter sauce that's gonna go right on top. I have some mashed potatoes that I made earlier. We're gonna put that underneath as a bed, and it's gonna taste absolutely amazing. All right, so I gotta get the fish. All right, guys, so let's get started. Really fast, really simple. Fire goes on all the way, full blast. Neutral oil, just to cover the pan so we can sear it. Now, we're gonna take some coarse salt. This is kosher salt. A little bit of black pepper, of course. The fish I got here is an actual about 6 to 7 ounce salmon with the skin on. Now, if you want to get the one without the skin, that's absolutely fine. I like it with the skin because we're going to get a little crispy texture to it, and it's going to taste absolutely amazing. I'm also going to take a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit. So once this gets hot, we'll put it in slowly and we'll let it cook. Can you put this in for me in the pan?
No.
While I'm...
Literally, when you were showing the skin side, I was grossed out in my head.
That right there? Now, face down. Look at the skin, bro. Beautiful. I'm gonna lower it just a tad bit on medium, and it really doesn't take long, maybe about 4 to 5 minutes. While that's there, I'm gonna put some salt on the skin part of it, some black pepper, and I'm gonna mince some garlic in there. About 2 cloves, garlic goes in.
You can put all the stuff you want to make it taste good, but
you're still not gonna eat it. But then again, it's not everybody's cup of tea, right?
Exactly.
The smell of that garlic, bro, doesn't get you?
No. All it smells fish.
Woo-wee. And this is wild caught. This is not farmed. Now, while that's cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little side for it, and that is asparagus. Bro, what's happening to asparagus nowadays?
What?
They used to be fat, bro. Look at this. It's like a toothpick. I couldn't find anything normal. It's really sad. Look at that, bro. They're like little.
It just looks skinnier than usual. Is this like the organic one?
No, it's regular, bro. You know what I forgot?
Oh, Jesus.
No, not Jesus. I forgot tongues, please. Like fast, bro. Like arak, waze.
I guess there wouldn't be an episode, you know.
If, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so while that's still cooking, make a little bit of asparagus. Goes in the trash. The way I cook these is I throw them on the grill, but before I do, I take a little bit of oil, just like that, some salt, some black pepper, and of course, a little bit of garlic, and you just kind of mix. Very simple, it's really, really simple. Take a little bit of butter, gotta be butter, like that, couple of pieces, this goes on top. The technique to this is we're just gonna make a little boat, cover it up, give it a little fold, and it goes on the barbecue covered until it's nice and soft. We'll come back to that. Now that we're back with the salmon is literally done already, ready to go. I was gonna ask you, doesn't this look delicious? But wrong person asked. Flame is off. I'm just gonna let this sit, and now we're gonna make the lemon garlic butter sauce. It's very simple, and it goes like this. All right, so fire on. We take our garlic that I put somewhere. Found it. Sorry, butter. Whole thing goes in.
The rest of the stick.
The rest of the stick that I use, which is about 3/4 stick. Bro, why do you gotta correct me like that? Because he's gonna ask me later on, how much of this did you put? How much of that did you put? Bro, I don't know, I'm putting it. What do you mean?
The measurements are important, I'm telling you.
Bring my tape measure?
Okay, hold on.
Seriously, I'm gonna start carrying a tape measure so I give you measurements. Next time you ask me me how many garlics.
How many inches is the stick of butter?
3.5 garlics right there. Right there. 4 inches.
4 inches?
Always smart ass.
Look, when you cook the food the way you do, and everything looks and tastes good, minus the fish stuff, people want to replicate what you are
Watch the
cooking,
video.
but they can't. They don't have the eye necessarily that you have. That you know, like how much you're, how much you're putting. People like to see it.
See what? With that eye?
You know when you say pinch of this and pinch of that?
Yeah.
Everybody's pinch is
Bro,
different.
a pinch is a pinch. Let's pinch each other and see if it's different.
Ah, dude.
All right, so, oh wow, the grill is at 600 right now. So this one's gonna consist of the lemon garlic butter sauce.
Yeah.
1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon, some salt, that 3/4 stick of butter, a little bit of black pepper, and that's pretty much it.
You're talking too much.
I'm talking. See, I always everything I do. Bro, are you ever satisfied at anything?
Never. You chose the worst part.
Bro, you keep pissing me off. I'm really gonna tell people that you watch Ninja Turtles. Your favorite one is
Go
Michelangelo.
ahead, I don't care.
Michelangelo or Michael? Isn't that the painter?
Michelangelo.
Is it? That was the thing, right?
Yeah. Raphael, Michelangelo, Donatello, Leonardo.
Wow, you know all the names too.
Yeah, I watched
See?
it when I was young.
Go. What is it? Go Ninja Turtles?
People that you still watch Rugrats.
Rugrats.
I saw you watching it the other day.
Bro, those are Rugrats. All right, lemon's down. I mean, butter's down, not lemon. You got me all mixed up. That goes in. Pinch of salt.
How much of the lemon was there?
1/4 cup.
Just want to make sure you said it.
Yeah, I said it. And now goes in a little bit of heavy cream. Bro, is this thing on fire? It's at like 650 degrees.
Yeah, because you modified the grill.
I did. I really modified the grill. So this goes in. We mix. 2 tablespoons right there of heavy cream. Mix. And let all the moisture from the cream come out, from the butter come out, and it'll thicken up just a little bit, and we'll have an absolutely amazing sauce that's gonna go on the actual salmon. So I'll let this cook down just a little bit. Same time, at the meantime, I gotta check this thing because I'm really worried that I'm gonna set this thing on fire. Woo-wee!
You got the mitts?
Holy schmoly. Bro, come here. Seriously, it's like 700 degrees.
650.
650. Bonk. Holy Jesus. Ooh, it just shot right over my head, bro. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at the butter in there, bro. Just like talking. Brrr,
Like what?
brrr, brrr, brrr. Holy moly. Beautiful. Oh, dude, it's like pretty much done.
That was fast.
Yeah, well, bro, 700 degrees. You know what I forgot in this, bro?
Oh my gosh.
No, you were talking to me. It's all your fault. See, garlic. 4 cloves of garlic is going to go into the actual lemon butter sauce. Squeeze and squeeze again.
You sure you didn't already put it?
Don't mess me up, bro. It's going to take a few minutes for it to actually thicken up a little bit. It's not going to be a thick sauce. It'll be a light sauce that goes on top of the salmon. You like that? Take one. Come here, don't be shy.
It's too flimsy.
Okay, like mine isn't. Ha!
You wanted me to eat one, but it's not even the cooked one, son.
No,
Oh, nice catch.
I used to be an asparagus catcher. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and check on this because I think it might be a little too light. I'm gonna add a little bit more heavy cream. So a quarter cup more, just to thicken it up a little bit better. Couple more minutes and we'll begin plating. All right, guys, we're back. Everything is ready to go. Let me pull out the asparagus. It's cooled down. I made some garlic mashed potatoes earlier on in the day. We're gonna take some and we're gonna make a bed. And this is rustic. I didn't smooth it out too much. And maybe a little bit more because Big Boy's hungry.
You know I'm not eating that. I'll take the mashed potatoes.
I know you take the mashed potatoes. All right, to this, our pan-seared salmon. And it's gonna go right on top of the mashed potatoes and our lemon garlic puree. Oh, lemon garlic sauce. And it's very light. And it's just, ooh.
By the way,
Huh?
lemon garlic butter sauce.
Lemon garlic butter. Isn't that what I said?
No, you did not say that.
Whatever. Now, we take this beautiful, tiny, thin, holy schmoly.
It's still hot.
It's still hot, bro. And so this is going to be the most sad asparagus I've ever seen. Literally sad, bro. But anyways, green onions. We got to top it. Some of this. Some of that. Just like that. And our sad asparagus, but a delicious meal. Really quick, really simple, really delicious. Or you can try.
No, I'm not gonna try it.
Dude, it's killing me, bro. If you would just try, I would never ask you again anymore.
No, you tell me.
Just one little piece.
You told me that last time.
Okay. All right, guys. Anyways, we're done. It's a beautiful dish. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it, and let's see what we did. Ooh la la. The skin is crispy. I hear it. Your mouth watering?
No.
Get some of that. Mmm. I'm getting that crunch from the skin.
From what?
The skin. That's amazing. I don't even want to try this asparagus, you little bastard. Real. Awesome. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Minus the way that asparagus looks. 2 thumbs up. And don't forget, you guys give it a thumbs up. Until next time, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Don't forget to.
Oh, don't forget to ring that bell. Go, ninja. You're gonna try it, right? Bro, I'm serious. I'll tell everybody you watch Ninja Turtles. I caught you watching Ninja Turtles the other day. You didn't disagree with me on that one. You didn't say, no, I don't watch it. Do you really watch it, bro?
No, I don't.
Who do you like, Raphael?
I used to like Michelangelo when I was a kid.
Michelangelo.
Cowabunga, dude.
Cowabunga, bro. No, seriously, you gotta try this one, dude. It's really good.
My own wife can't make me try fish. You think you're gonna be able to?
Yeah, that's a good point.
You know I'm doing your job, right?
Yeah. Hold on, let me curl my...
You really carry that around everywhere.
So I don't forget it. I stick it right here.
The best is when we're in the middle of a conversation, sitting down, and we're talking, and then you just bust that out mid-conversation. It's like, you know I'm gonna stop saying something, and I'm just gonna...
The distraction. I can put it back here like that. You'll never know it's there. Why pay top dollar for fish when you can make it at home? Few ingredients, very simple. Let me start over. Acts like he's going 100 miles an hour and he's only doing like 7 or 8. And you look over, he's still next to you. Those guys kill me.